If you're looking to grow your Amazon business, the JungleScout Sales Analytics tool is one of the most powerful tools you can use. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it to track your sales and make smarter business decisions. First, let's dive into the dashboard. When you open the JungleScout Sales Analytics tool, you're going to see a clean, user-friendly interface that lets you see all your important metrics in one place. You'll be able to view sales data, track expenses, monitor profits, and get a deeper understanding of your Amazon business performance. The main dashboard gives you a snapshot of your total sales, profits, and other key figures. The first thing you'll notice is the Revenue Overview section, which shows your total sales, cost of goods sold, COGS, and your net profit over a custom date range. This feature allows you to quickly see how well your products are performing. You can adjust the time period for any period, daily, weekly, monthly, or even custom dates, to make sure you're tracking your performance exactly how you need to. Next, let's look at the Product Performance section. This is where you can analyze how each product is doing individually. You'll get details like units sold, product cost, and net profit. This is extremely useful if you're managing a large number of products and want to optimize your sales strategy. Another powerful feature is the Profit and Loss Tracker. It allows you to see all your costs and compare them against your revenue to figure out where you're making or losing money. This breakdown gives you a better idea of where you need to cut costs or adjust pricing to maximize your profitability. The JungleScout Sales Analytics tool also helps you track other expenses like Amazon fees, advertising costs, and shipping fees. By including these in your analysis, you get a more complete picture of your business's overall financial health. One key feature that you can't miss is the Sales Trends Report. This allows you to see sales over time and identify any patterns or fluctuations. If you notice a drop in sales or a surge, you can dig into the data to figure out the root cause. Maybe it's a seasonal trend, or maybe there's an issue with your product listing. Either way, this tool helps you stay ahead of the curve and make data-driven decisions. Now here's the best part. You can use this software for completely free with an exclusive bonus through the first link below. This extended free trial gives you full access to JungleScout's powerful tools without having to commit upfront. To recap, using JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool is an easy way to track your sales, monitor profits, and optimize your Amazon business. Whether you're tracking daily sales, expenses, or identifying trends, this tool has everything you need to take your business to the next level. If you want to start using JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool today, don't forget to check the first link below for that exclusive free trial. Happy selling!